In Surds and Indices, so I'll show you few important concepts which will come in examination. So shortcut trick also I'll explain. For example, you can see some problems like this in examination. Square root of 12 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 12 plus so on till infinite. So we have to use normal method is, let us take this given equation as x. Okay, we can take entire this as x. Let x is equals to square root of 12 plus and square root of 12 plus within again square root of 12 plus so on till infinite. So both the methods I'll explain. Then we can write square root of 12 as it is plus this part is again same like x till infinite. So you can take it as x this place. If you apply the squaring on both the sides, x square is equals to, so 12 plus x. Again x square minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Then you have to factorize this. If you factorizing x square minus 12, no? So this is splitting the middle term, that's factorization. That is minus 4x plus 3x. We can add as minus x, then minus 12. So x is a common, x minus 4 plus 3 is a common, x minus 12 is equal to 0. Then x minus 4 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equals to 4 or x is equals to minus 3. So this is the process we are supposed to do it. But I'll show the shortcut method like these problems. So any number is given, you can take that number itself first. That means that is a 12. In this question, the number is 12, right? Just take the 12 and find the highest factors for this 12. So 12 we can write 4 into 3. So in this 4 and 3, because of this is the positive sign, you can take the bigger number. So this is the question is plus 12, right? So it's a positive sign. Because of positive, we should take the bigger number as an answer. So answer is equals to 4. Not of doing this in lengthy. Okay, let me show you one more example. Then you can get clear idea. Now, same square root of 20 minus square root of 20 minus square root of 20 minus so on till infinite. So the shortcut method is you should take 20, but it's a negative 20. Means 20 minus 20 subtracting. So take the greatest factors, means if you product of the two numbers 20, the two highest numbers, that is 4 and 5. 4 into 5. So in this this is negative, right? So you can take the smaller number. Therefore answer is 4. So this answer is equals to 4. Okay, so this is the one way of the methods. So anything you can given, you can use the same pattern. And to find out the maximum and minimum in this surds, one more example. For example, find the maximum and minimum from cube root of 4, fourth root of 6, sixth root of 15, or 12th root of the number. So 245. Let us take this. They are asking what is the maximum and minimum. Then if you write in exponential form, 4 to the power 1 by 3 it is this problem. And 6, fourth root of 6. So 6 to the power 1 by 4. 15 to the power 1 by 6. 245 to the power 1 by 12. These type of questions you have to find out the LCM first. So LCM of these all the base numbers. So 3, 4, 6, 12. 3, 4, 6, 12 LCM find out. 3, 4, 6, 12 LCM is 12 itself. Now you can multiply each and every number with 12. So times 12 into 12 we can do it. Then after this you can simplify 4 to the power 1 by 3 into 12. So 4. This 6 to the power 3. 15 to the power 2. 245 to the power 1. Then you can write the final answer. 4 to the power 4. 4 for 16 into 16. So 256. This is 216. 15 into 15. So 225. And this is 245. Then you can find out which is the maximum and minimum. So the maximum is 245, means this cube root of 4. So this is the maximum number, bigger number. And smaller number is this fourth, because smaller number 216. This is minimum. So this is the one of the way to find out the Surds indices, and few more concepts also I'll show you in this same thing in part 2.